Let y'all see how big these free import meats get. Like, seriously, like they got this whole strip taken. Like, god damn. When they meet up, they meet up. Misofresh. This is so. Alright, this whole strip. I mean, I ain't know I was gonna drive this far down. Nice Ferrari though. Damn. So both sides of the street, basically. Is how this whole
I need a big boy car, you know? LS 400.
free 99 meat. See how long this lasts. Stick over a long strip.
Well, you said he's 7 minutes away?
10 minutes away earlier.
Well, from his house to here, yes. Yeah.
Plus, it pings me every time you get home.
Alright, y'all pull on these people locations. That private property gonna get your ass up out of there. Just coming in. Car after car after car after car. God damn. It ain't even started yet. It's plain color. I ain't even near the front. Y'all see how many cars I'm walking past. It's ridiculous. All they gotta do is post up one flyer. So one flyer and bam. That's what one name can do. Misofresh. He drop his name on it. And they come support. Uh-oh. Y'all pulling into private property over there. Okay. See how long that lasts.
I end up catching up to them. Yeah. As I never always
Still got about a half a block down there I could go. More cars parked. Ridiculous. 5 minutes. And it ain't stopping no time soon. What's up? Down, I'm all the way down there. Oh yeah, non-stop. They coming. Boy, the way they support each other, man, I gotta give my hats off to them, man. This shit's ridiculous. That's what I'm talking about. Support. Put it out there and they pull up. That's what I'm talking about. That's that fan base you want. Consistent, steady, and faithful. Not that fuck shit we deal with. So I gotta give these folks props for real. Look at that. So many different makes, models, just I don't know, they just pull up and support each other, man. That's what I'm talking about. Definitely a fan of that. Let me go in this parking lot real quick on this private property and see how long this lasts. A lot of smoke coming out of that car.
Oh, hey, that was it with me. Our wake up fast is still talking this shit. He come on. Shut the hell up, boy. Both of us fat asses. What do you mean you couldn't even keep up?
This thing right here. Interesting right here. I gotta film this.
¿Cuántos cilindros será este? Maje, mira, tiene flores adentro de los faros.
What are these? 12s? God damn, you ever seen a tire this small? What is this? Oh, that's a 13. Look, I wasn't far off. What are these 12s? And they 13s. Damn. Gotta keep them shiny.
I'm trying to. Little tiny 13s.
Hey, I was joking. I said, are these 12s? And then they were 13s. I was like, what the hell? Damn. I ain't never seen a rim that small. I haven't.
SSRs though.
Yeah, but hey, it's pretty cool though, man. Nah, hey, I give you props because it's different. You don't see too many of them. You still got it on the road, so I give you credit. Yeah, I'm gonna give you credit right off the gate. Just the fact that you got it. And everyone can't say they got one. That's how I look at it. So
I legit have not seen another sedan. I've seen some coupes, but not another sedan, at least here in the US.
yeah, so like I said, man, keep building, keep doing your thing, man.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Got some Mustangs over there. Oh yeah. Man, I was kind of late and they ain't even started yet. This is the kind of support I'm telling y'all. This is what I love. This is what I need right here. This fan base, boy. They love cars. I'm gonna give you some car events to enjoy it too. All right, y'all. My video hella long now. Damn. There goes some exotics coming. Got the Lambo, the McLaren.